observe. Look at the glow of everything. You can see how every one of these little needles are, it's really interesting how they just sit and tremble. And you put your hand up, see this? This is just me putting my hands up to it and letting it acquaint itself, letting its energy signature acquaint itself with mine. As you can see, look how much more energy comes through. So my energy signature is just sitting there tickling its. Okay. Take a look here. We're out in the country where there's no people to interfere. So take a look at that. I'm just going to stand here now and just watch the air, the breeze come through all by itself. And maybe it'll slow down because I'm not enacting, but I think we can even make the breeze just do it all by itself. Hopefully. Just a little bit. As you can see, when you put your energy in with it, it tends to enact more. It tends to operate more because you're sharing in with it and it with you. So anyway, look at that. Look how all the needles move and vibrate. Let me get up closer. Look how those needles move. So anyway, this is just me observing beauty. Observing my surroundings. And I wanted to actually just walk up and spend some time with this this particular pine tree. Right there is what I like. See how those needles are just moving. One by one, bit by bit. So beautiful. Anyway, that's my little lesson in terms of spending time with a tree or spending time with a being and just literally being with it and observing it for what it is, and even adding my own energy signature in it, just to let it know that I'm there with it, that I love it, and I can feel that it definitely loves me. Okay, I'm out of here.